Welcome to Kanya's ERP. In order to create a repairment order for a breakdown, access MNTT03 breakdown notifications list transaction. In this transaction, enter company, plant, work center, and breakdown and number information to narrow down your breakdown notification. Select the relevant breakdown and click Change button. In the Details screen, switch to the Repairment Orders tab. Here, click Create Repairment Order button. Now on the Creating Repairment Order screen, select the relevant material and then click OK button. Now on the Production Order Details screen, release the production order, schedule it, and then click Save button to save it as a repairment order. The order will be created, and it will be seen on the Repairment Orders under the Repairment Orders tab. Now click Save button to complete the process.